If you have a discount code that you'd like to apply to your next renewal, navigate to allgirlshaveclub.com and click on the login button in the header. You'll be brought to the login page where you can log in if you have set up your account. If you haven't already set up your account, you're going to want to click on New Customer Sign Up here and just fill in the fields that are required. And just be mindful that you use the email address that you used when making your first subscription purchase. Then click Login. Once you're in your account, you want to click on Manage Subscriptions. This is your customer portal where you will be able to manage your subscription by changing your renewal dates, by editing your shipping address, or changing your products. You can do all of that right here in your subscription portal. To add the discount code, you're going to click on Edit. And then scroll down and you will see Apply Discount right here. Click on Apply Discount and you can enter the discount code and add the discount code and you will be all set. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at hello@allgirlshaveclub.com.